In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify failed to load the page. If you're seeing a failed to load the page error in your Shopify admin or storefront, one common cause is a problematic third-party app. I'll walk you through a clean, safe way to troubleshoot this by removing the app that might be causing the issue, and then show you what to do if the problem persists. First, open your Shopify store by signing into your Shopify admin. Give the dashboard a moment to fully load. If the error shows up intermittently, try waiting a few seconds before moving on so you're working with a stable page. Next, go to Settings. You'll find this in the lower left corner of the admin dashboard. Clicking Settings opens a panel with all your store's controls. We're heading there to access the section where your installed apps are managed. Now, click Apps. This page lists every app connected to your store. Apps enhance functionality, but sometimes an app that was recently installed or updated can conflict with your theme or another app and trigger loading failures. Look over your app list and pay special attention to anything you added or changed around the time the error started. When you identify a likely culprit, select it and choose Uninstall. Before confirming, consider a quick note of any important settings in that app, such as screenshots or a brief description. Uninstalling removes the integration and can immediately resolve conflicts that block pages from loading. Confirm the uninstall and wait for the process to complete. This may take a few moments. After the uninstall finishes, return to the page that previously failed to load and refresh it. If the page now loads correctly, you've likely found the source of the problem. You can continue using your store without that app, or later reinstall it if the developer has addressed the issue. Keep in mind that removing an app may disable features it provided, so review your storefront and workflows to ensure everything looks and behaves as expected. If the issue still persists after uninstalling the suspected app, it's time to contact customer service for assistance. Reach out to Shopify support directly from your admin or the help center. When you do, share the clear details such as when the error occurs, what page fails to load, and which apps were installed or recently updated. Mention that you already tried uninstalling a suspected app. This context helps the support team quickly pinpoint the cause and guide you to a resolution. That's it. Follow these steps and you should be well on your way to restoring your Shopify pages.